Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your issues that you have on Twitter app. To not find a solution about Twitter, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Twitter. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.